Alright, so this morning we're going to be working on the diffuser, and as you can tell it's really badly damaged, and instead of buying a new one I'm going to repair this one. It is not that bad as it looks like. This side is pretty much spent, some dents over here, but overall I think we can recover this one. And this is the other piece that we'll have to rebuild. This is actually a grill around the exhaust pipes. I have two of them, but again it seems like badly bent, but that we can fix as well. And this is the under tray. There is not much to be done on this. I'll probably need to clean it up and check these NACA ducts, and for the rest we should be good to go. So I'm going to use the English wheel for straightening up the panel. It rolls a bit tough in the beginning, but after a few times the panel becomes more smooth and it's easy to roll. Now that starts to look good. Alright. I see that I have some dents over here, so let's try to get in there and roll that as well. Looking pretty good. Wow, the diffuser is in a bit of a bad shape, I would say. The ducting here is okay, but this ducting is totally bent. I have a lot of bends on this area, and the whole panel goes with a big dent in the middle where it's supposed to be really flat. So we have to sort all that out. Now I'm going to do this with the English wheel and a bit of hammering. But before I do so, I'm going to take all the ducting off. So that's why I'm going to drill out all these rivets. See all the rivets here? Now you see how crooked it is. See all these rivets? We're going to drill them out. We'll put new ones up, and then we have the ducting properly sorted out. All right. There we go, it's apart. So to get the little rivets out, I'm not going to drill it because often you make the hole too big, so I'm just going to grind it off gently. It can be a little bit tough, huh? That's one. There we go. Now we got it cleaned. Aluminum is a very soft material, so if you're gonna hammer on it, use a rubber hammer. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. I think I have a little dent here. Alright, I think that looks good. So now let's do this side. Great. So this part is good. Now let's do the other one. Right, so we've been bending it, cutting it, and rolling it, so now it is as good as it's going to get. I think it looks quite alright, so now what we need to do is to rivet in the parts. So let's get the rivets and then we can put it together. I clamped it in place so I can fit them, so the panels are close to each other. Put the rivet through it, make sure it fits nicely, that the hole is not too big, so the rivets come in all kind of sizes and formats. And then just use the pliers and rivet it in. There we go, that's number one. And the last one. So I think this is looking quite good. Spent a bit of time on it, but it looks all right. It's been put back together as it should be. And now we're going to paint it in black. We've reconstructed this panel and that was totally bent, but now we straightened it up and we painted it. And now we can also mount then the license plate holder, which we also dented out and straightened it up and painted it. So this is what we're going to do right now. But first of all, I need to tighten down these little bolts here, because that's holding the insulation plate between the muffler and the rear plate. I've got the diffuser mounted. That's the one we reworked completely. And I think it just fits nice. So I'm just going to bolt it down. We still have to put the rims around it, but I don't have them for the moment.